Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Mahadika from Surya Kancana University, and today I will be presenting a journal that I have been read. And today's journal is from Indonesian Journal of English Education, and the title of the journal is "The Use of Content-Based Summarizing in Improving Students' Reading Skill of Madrasah." And the study has been conducted by Zana Chorbita Aratusa. So let's get started. So mainly we are going to talk about 5 points. Okay, the first one is the background of the study. The second one is the objective of the study. The third one is the participant of the study. The fourth is the method that is used in the study. And the last one is the findings. So let's get started. To the first is the background of the study. Why the study is conducted. So, the study is conducted because the researchers found that there are many previous studies that apply summarizing content-based reading in improving students' reading skill, but they're not particularly address the type of summarizing for in Islamic school context, which that the students usually read rich content texts. And so that means that the Islamic school is quite different from the regular school, and not the study the implementing of the strategy of content-based summarizing has not yet been applied or has not been researched in or analyzed in Islamic schools. So the researchers thought that the study needs to be conducted in Islamic school. So that's it. So we come to the point 2 is the objective of the study. As we talk about the background of the study, we come to the purpose of the study is to find out whether content-based summarizing can improve students' reading skill or students' reading comprehensions of madrasah students. So the participants of this study were the students of 2 schools. The first one is from MA1 Palu, and the second one is from MA Negeri 2 Model Palu. And these high schools are located in Palu, Central Sulawesi. The method. The next one is the method of the study. The method that is used in the study is experimental method, and the study also implementing content-based summarizing techniques or CBST in teaching English. And the last one is the findings of the study. But before that, we are going to talk about the content-based summarizing technique. What is that? So it's basically that the students need to read the whole passage first, the whole text that is given by the teacher, and they have to analyze. They have to make summarize, but the summarizing has to be focused only on the meaning or the idea, the main idea of the text. So in this study, the text that is being used is Dawn of Islam. It contains 4 paragraphs. Yeah, it contains 4 paragraphs, and it has three different types. I mean, the opening, the content, and the closing. So the students of these 2 schools are given the text by the researchers that also acted as the teacher, and the students first need to read the whole passage of the Dawn of Islam, and after that they have to make the content-based summarize of the text. They have to analyze paragraph per paragraph. And as I have mentioned that this text contains 4 paragraphs. So the first paragraph they have to make summarize for the first paragraph what it's all about, and the second paragraph what it's all about, the third, and so on. But not only that, the student needs also make notes based on the text, like the personality of the actor of the text, So in this case, in the dawn of Islam, the main character in the text is Prophet Muhammad, and the student needs also make the notes of the activity that is conducted by the actor, which is Prophet Muhammad, and the activity basically how Prophet Muhammad spread Islam to the world, and they have to make the summarizing what kind of activities that Prophet Muhammad done in the text. So after the technique, the strategy is conducted, so the result is like this. So in general, the average ability of students reading in English in MA Negeri 1 Palu and MA Negeri 2 Model Palu is almost similar. This was shown by the mean score obtained by the student of both schools when the initial test given. So, like any other, like in classroom action research, pre-tests are also given and the post-tests are also given. So yeah, however, the average ability of students in MA Negeri 2 Palu, Model Palu, before the treatment was found to be slightly better, with the average initial score of the treatment class students. So the result of the pre-test, the mean score that obtained by students of MA Negeri 2 Model Palu is 46.25, and the post-test after the treatment, after the strategy is applied, I'm sorry. So the pre-test, the students obtained a score of 50.75, but after the treatment, the students obtained a score of 46.25. It means that the mean score that obtained by the students is decreasing instead of increasing. But in MA Negeri 1 Palu, the mean score that obtained by the students before or the pre-test or before the treatment is 49.55, and the score after the strategy or the technique is applied is 43.3. So we can conclude that the students of MA Negeri 2 Palu students has better reading skill compared to the ability of MA Negeri 1 Palu students. That's the first conclusion. And the second conclusion, it turns out that the strategy that is applied is not really working in both schools, because it can be seen that from the pre-test, the mean score obtained by the students are higher than the post-test or after the strategy is applied. So yeah, that is for me. I'm really sorry if I made a lot of mistakes during the presentation, and I hope you can get the point that I was trying to deliver to you guys. So thank you guys for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.